All right, so this is the metro station at Wiehle-Reston East Station in Reston, Virginia. So remember, there's a Silver Line train coming in 2 minutes, so there's going to be one in just a moment. And that will be in 4 minutes after that one coming in 2 minutes.
Going up.
Let me ride this for a moment. And hurry up. See that one? It will come from Reston Town Center. Send it down for a ride.
Mezzanine level going down.
Oh, 1 minute. Hurry up. It's coming in just a moment, all right? Let me check out. And there's one coming right there. You better step back. Let's check out this one. All right, you know what? This will come in 2 minutes, so we gotta hurry up to go catch my dad over there. It's here. This came from Reston Town Center. Yep, next station, Spring Hill. And there it goes. Next station, Spring Hill.